White coupe but a pecan. Big bitch Puerto Rican. Take you out to Paraguay.
Hey guys, it's Eva. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do these space buns. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. So now I'm going to part my hair, and I'm parting it in the side, and I use that stick thingy because it just works. But yeah. So I parted my hair, and now I'm putting it in a ponytail so I can just keep that out of the way while I do the other side. So now I'm just putting gel in my hair to keep it in place, and I think it's the Eco olive oil one, but yeah. And now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm just twisting it up to just wrap it in a bun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and make sure you go subscribe to my channel, and make sure you go follow my Instagram. I'll put it right here. Go follow my dance page on Instagram. I'll put it right there too. But yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.